Hello, dear viewers! Today we're diving into a fascinating subject that could revolutionize the way we care for our brain health. Have you ever wondered if there's a supplement capable of boosting your cognitive performance, improving your memory, and even protecting your brain? Well, get ready for an exciting journey into the world of Noopept, a compound that's been catching the attention of scientists and brain health enthusiasts worldwide. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you that in the description of this video and in the pinned comments, you'll find a special link. But don't worry about that now. Let's focus on the incredible content we have ahead. In this video, we'll explore the surprising benefits of Noopept, from memory enhancement to its potential in recovering from brain injuries. Get ready to discover how this supplement could be the key to unlocking your brain's full potential. Have you ever experienced that frustrating feeling of not being able to remember something important? Or perhaps struggled to maintain focus during a crucial task? Well, this is where Noopept comes into play, offering a promising solution to these everyday challenges. Noopept has shown impressive potential for improving memory, especially short-term memory. Scientific studies have revealed that this compound acts directly on the processes of memory formation, consolidation, and retrieval. Imagine being able to absorb information more easily, retain knowledge for longer, and access your memories with greater clarity. It's like having an upgrade for your mental hard drive. But Noopept doesn't stop there. It has also shown remarkable results in enhancing overall cognition. Users report a significant improvement in mental clarity, as if a fog obscuring their thoughts had been lifted. Focus becomes sharper, allowing you to concentrate on complex tasks for longer periods without getting distracted. And what about problem solving? Well, prepare to be surprised. Noopept seems to increase the efficiency with which our brain processes information and finds solutions. It's as if it opens up new neural routes, allowing you to approach challenges from different and more creative angles. A study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry in 2013 demonstrated that Noopept significantly increased the expression of neuronal growth factors in rats, suggesting a mechanism by which it can improve cognitive function. Another study, conducted by Russian researchers and published in Experimentalnaya и клиническая фармакология in 1999, showed that Noopept improved memory in animal models of amnesia. But how does this translate to everyday life? Imagine being in an important meeting and being able to remember all the key points effortlessly. Or studying for an exam and feeling that the information is sticking much more easily. Noopept could be that extra boost you need to elevate your cognitive performance to new heights. Remember, every brain is unique, and results may vary from person to person. But the science behind Noopept is promising, offering a new perspective on how we can optimize our cognitive abilities. Now, you must be wondering, this sounds too good to be true. Is there any downside? Well, we'll explore that later in the video. For now, know that we're just scratching the surface of Noopept's potential benefits. Keep watching to discover how this fascinating supplement can not only improve your memory and cognition, but also protect your brain against damage and even increase your neuroplasticity. The best is yet to come. Now that we understand how Noopept can improve our memory and cognition, let's dive into two of its most intriguing benefits: neuroprotection and increased brain plasticity. These are qualities that not only enhance our mental performance in the present, but can also have a significant impact on our long-term brain health. First, let's talk about neuroprotection. Imagine your brain as a precious city, constantly under attack from external forces like oxidative stress, environmental toxins, and the inevitable aging process. Noopept acts as a protective shield for this city, defending its neuronal inhabitants against these harmful invaders. Scientific studies have demonstrated that Noopept possesses powerful antioxidant properties. A study published in the Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine in 2000 showed that Noopept protected neurons against oxidative damage in models of cerebral ischemia. This means it can help prevent cell death and maintain the integrity of brain structures, even under stressful conditions. But the neuroprotection offered by Noopept goes beyond that. Research suggests that it may also help prevent the accumulation of toxic proteins associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology in 2015 indicated that Noopept may have therapeutic potential in Alzheimer's models, reducing the formation of amyloid plaques. Now, let's talk about something really exciting. brain plasticity. Plasticity is our brain's ability to form new neural connections and adapt to new experiences. It's as if Noopept transforms your brain into a super flexible and adaptable version of itself. Noopept has been shown to stimulate the formation of new synapses, the connections between neurons. This is crucial for learning, memory, and adapting to new situations. A study published in the Russian Journal of Physiological Reviews in 2014 suggested that Noopept increases the expression of neurotrophic factors, which are essential for neural growth and plasticity. Imagine being able to learn new skills more easily, quickly adapt to changes in the work environment, or even recover more rapidly from brain injuries. The increased plasticity provided by Noopept opens up a world of possibilities for personal and professional development. It's important to note that while these studies are promising, most were conducted in animal models or in vitro. More research is needed to fully confirm these effects in humans. However, the preliminary results are extremely encouraging. Now, you might be wondering, if Noopept is so powerful in protecting and remodeling the brain, can it have any impact on my mood and overall well-being? Well, that's an excellent question, and the answer might surprise you. In the next section, we'll explore how Noopept can influence not only our cognition, but also our emotional state. Stay with us to discover how this fascinating supplement could be the key to a mind that's not only sharper, but also more balanced and happier. We've explored how Noopept can enhance our cognition and protect our brain. But what about our emotional well-being? Surprisingly, this versatile supplement has also shown positive effects in reducing anxiety and improving mood. Let's dive into this fascinating aspect of Noopept. First, let's talk about anxiety. In an increasingly fast-paced and stressful world, many of us struggle daily with feelings of worry and tension. Here, Noopept emerges as an unexpected ally. Studies have shown that this compound can have a significant anxiolytic effect, meaning it helps reduce symptoms of anxiety. A study published in Experimentalnaya i Klinicheskaya Pharmakologia in 2001 showed that Noopept exhibited anxiolytic effects in animal models. The most interesting part is that these effects were observed without causing sedation, a common side effect in many traditional anxiolytic medications. Imagine being able to feel calmer and more centered, without the drowsiness or feeling of being disconnected that often accompanies other anxiety treatments. But how does Noopept achieve this? It's believed to work by modulating glutamate receptors in the brain, a neurotransmitter involved in stress response and anxiety. By adjusting these systems, Noopept can help restore a healthier balance in our mental state. Now, let's talk about something we all desire: a better mood. Noopept not only helps reduce negative feelings, but also seems to promote positive feelings of well-being. This occurs through its influence on key neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine, often called the reward molecule, is associated with feelings of pleasure and motivation. Serotonin, on the other hand, is crucial for regulating our mood and promoting feelings of happiness and contentment. Noopept appears to stimulate the production and activity of these neurotransmitters, resulting in an overall improvement in mood. A study published in Neuroscience and Behavioral Physiology in 2008 suggested that Noopept may have antidepressant effects, possibly through these neurotransmitter modulation mechanisms. Users often report a general sense of well-being, optimism, and a more positive attitude towards life after regular use of Noopept. Imagine waking up every morning feeling more emotionally balanced, ready to face the day's challenges with a positive attitude, or being able to handle stressful situations with more calm and mental clarity. This is what many Noopept users describe experiencing. It's important to note that while these effects are promising, Noopept should not be seen as a substitute for established medical treatments for anxiety or depression. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplementation regimen, especially if you're dealing with mental health conditions. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but how does Noopept affect our mental energy? Can it help us maintain focus and productivity throughout the day? Well, that's an excellent question, and the answer might surprise you. In the next section, we'll explore how Noopept could be the key to unlocking higher levels of mental energy and cognitive endurance. Stay with us to discover how this fascinating supplement can transform not only your mood, but also your ability to maintain focus and productivity at high levels for extended periods. We've explored how Noopept can improve our cognition, protect our brain, and even elevate our mood. But what about our mental energy? How can this fascinating supplement help us maintain focus and productivity throughout the day? And even more, how can it assist in recovering from brain injuries? Let's dive into these crucial topics. First, let's talk about mental energy. In a world where the demand for constant attention and high performance is the norm, many of us struggle against mental fatigue. Here, Noopept emerges as a potential game changer. Users report a significant reduction in mental fatigue and an increase in mental endurance, allowing them to stay focused and productive for longer periods. A study published in Eksperymentalnaya I Klinicheskaya Pharmakologia in 2007 demonstrated that Noopept significantly improved the efficiency of mental work in patients with mild post-traumatic encephalopathy. Participants showed an improvement in their ability to process information and perform complex cognitive tasks for extended periods. But how does Noopept achieve this? It's believed to optimize energy metabolism in the brain, improving the efficiency with which our neurons use glucose and oxygen. It's as if Noopept tunes up your brain's engine, allowing it to function at high performance for longer without overheating. Imagine being able to maintain intense focus during that crucial presentation at work, or study for hours on end without feeling that mental fog that usually sets in. Noopept could be the key to unlocking this level of mental endurance. Now, let's address an even more fascinating topic: Noopept's potential in aiding recovery from brain injuries. This is an extremely promising field of research that has caught the attention of neuroscientists worldwide. Studies have suggested that Noopept may be beneficial for patients who have suffered brain trauma or are dealing with neurodegenerative conditions. A study published in Journal Nevrology i Psychiatry imeni SS Korsakova in 2009 showed that Noopept significantly improved cognitive recovery in patients with mild traumatic brain injury. The mechanism behind this effect is multifaceted. First, Noopept appears to stimulate the production of neuronal growth factors, such as BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is crucial for the survival and growth of new neurons, as well as the formation of new synaptic connections. Additionally, Noopept has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are crucial in the brain recovery process. By reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress, Noopept can create a more favorable environment for neural regeneration and repair. Imagine the implications of this. For someone recovering from a concussion, Noopept could potentially accelerate the recovery process and minimize long-term effects. For individuals dealing with the early stages of neurodegenerative conditions, it could offer a valuable tool to maintain cognitive function and slow disease progression. It's important to note that while these results are extremely promising, more research is needed to fully establish Noopept's efficacy in these areas. Always consult a healthcare professional before considering the use of Noopept for any medical condition. Now, you must be wondering, if Noopept can do all this, how does it really work at the molecular level? Is there a specific mechanism that explains all these benefits? Well, that's a fascinating question, and the answer leads us to one of the most intriguing aspects of Noopept: its ability to stimulate BDNF production. In the next section, we'll dive into this crucial mechanism and explore how it could be the key to unlocking our brain's full potential. Stay with us for this exciting journey into the world of neuroscience. We've arrived at one of the most fascinating and promising aspects of Noopept: its ability to stimulate the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. But what exactly is BDNF and why is it so important? Let's dive into this microscopic world that has enormous implications for our brain health. BDNF is often called fertilizer for the brain, and for good reason. This protein plays a crucial role in the health and functioning of our neurons. It not only promotes the growth and differentiation of new neurons and synapses, but also helps strengthen and protect existing neurons. Imagine BDNF as a dedicated gardener in your brain, constantly nurturing, pruning, and cultivating your neural network to keep it healthy and growing. Now, imagine Noopept as a superfood for this gardener, enhancing its ability to care for your neural garden. Studies have shown that Noopept can significantly increase BDNF levels in the brain. A study published in the Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine in 2008 showed that Noopept increased BDNF expression in the hippocampus of rats, a crucial brain region for memory and learning. But why is this so important? Elevated BDNF levels are associated with a range of cognitive and mental health benefits. BDNF is essential for the formation of new memories and the consolidation of learned information. It promotes neuroplasticity, allowing the brain to adapt more easily to new experiences and challenges. Higher BDNF levels can help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. BDNF is involved in mood regulation, and low levels have been associated with depression. In cases of brain injury, BDNF plays a crucial role in neural regeneration and repair. By stimulating BDNF production, Noopept essentially fertilizes your brain, creating an ideal environment for the growth, repair, and optimized functioning of neurons. A particularly intriguing aspect is how increased BDNF can contribute to adult neurogenesis, the process of forming new neurons in the adult brain. For a long time, it was believed that adults couldn't generate new neurons, but modern science has proven otherwise. BDNF plays a crucial role in this process, and by increasing BDNF levels, Noopept can potentially promote the formation of new neurons, even in adult brains. Imagine the implications of this. The ability to generate new neurons and neural connections throughout life could be the key to maintaining mental sharpness as we age, recovering more effectively from brain injuries, and even reprogramming ingrained thought and behavior patterns. It's important to note that while these results are extremely promising, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of Noopept-induced BDNF increase in humans. However, the preliminary data is incredibly exciting and opens up new possibilities for brain healthcare and optimization. Now, you must be wondering, with all these incredible benefits, Noopept seems almost too good to be true. Are there any side effects or precautions we should consider? That's a crucial question, and in our next and final section, we'll address exactly that. We'll explore Noopept's safety profile, discuss possible side effects, and provide guidance on how to use this supplement responsibly. Stay with us for this vital discussion on how to maximize Noopept's benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Throughout this video, we've seen how Noopept can potentially improve our memory, enhance our cognition, protect our neurons, reduce anxiety, improve our mood, increase our mental energy, and even aid in the recovery from brain injuries. All of this largely thanks to its ability to stimulate the production of BDNF, the brain fertilizer that promotes neuronal growth and health. These benefits are undoubtedly impressive. However, as with any supplement or medication, it's crucial to approach the use of Noopept with caution and responsibility. First, let's talk about safety. Noopept has demonstrated a fairly favorable safety profile in clinical studies. A study published in Experimentalnaya i Klinicheskaya Pharmakologia in 2002 found no significant toxic effects even at very high doses. However, as with any substance, some users may experience mild side effects such as headaches, irritability, or insomnia, especially when first starting use. It's important to note that while Noopept is generally well tolerated, more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects in humans. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplementation regimen. Now, let's move on to practical recommendations for those considering trying Noopept. Start with a low dose. The typical Noopept dosage ranges from 10 to 30 milliliters per day, but it's advisable to start with the lowest dose and gradually increase as needed. Some users report better results when cycling use, for example, using for 56 consecutive days and then taking a 4-day break. Noopept may be more effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. Keep a journal to track your progress and any side effects you may experience. Be patient. Some users report immediate benefits, while others may take a few weeks to notice significant improvements. Noopept should not be used as a substitute for prescribed medications or established medical treatments. Remember, Noopept is a powerful supplement, but it's not a magic solution. It works best as part of a holistic approach to brain health, which includes a nutritious diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. As research on Noopept continues to evolve, we're likely to discover even more about its potential and applications. It's an exciting time for the field of neuroscience and cognitive optimization. To conclude, Noopept offers a fascinating perspective on how we can potentially improve our brain health and cognitive performance. Whether you're a student looking to enhance your learning capacity, a professional seeking to increase your productivity, or someone simply interested in maintaining brain health as you age, Noopept may offer significant benefits. Remember, the journey to optimal brain health is ongoing and personal. Noopept can be a valuable tool in this journey, but it's just one part of a larger picture that includes healthy lifestyle choices and appropriate medical care. We thank you for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating world of Noopept. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about how to optimize your brain health, don't forget to check out the link in the video description for more information about Noopept and other brain health supplements. Take good care of your brain. After all, it's the most valuable resource you possess. Until next time, and remember, a healthy brain is the key to a full and satisfying life.